Well, we made it to May, and wow, what a month April was, huh? Holy moly. The good news is that fishing has been excellent up until just the last week and a half here in Montana across the board. Here's some photos showing that from across the state. Make sure that you tag flyfishmontana if you want your photo added in this video each month. Remember that when this state opens back up, there's going to be a lot of hungry fish out there. So make sure you get your trip set up. Thanks, and here we go.
I'ma live like I'm alive, like I'm alive, like there's no forever. Gonna ride to the other side of this earth if I wanna. We got this sun to chase, so little time to waste, so I won't let it pass me by. 'Cause for a moment I'm alive. I'm a dream when I'm awake, yeah, no time for sleep.